Understanding Lockbox Banking, a comprehensive guide. Lockbox Banking is an essential service provided by financial institutions to streamline the payment processing system for businesses. By directing customer payments to a specified post office box, instead of sending them straight to the business, Lockbox services help companies enhance their cash flow management and reduce internal processing costs. This article delves into the mechanics of Lockbox Banking, its advantages, disadvantages, and its relevance to various business sizes. How Lockbox Banking works. Lockbox Banking serves businesses that handle a large volume of incoming payments or high-denomination checks. Here's an overview of how it operates. 1. Establishment of a lockbox. A business sets up a dedicated post office box for receiving payments. The lockbox is uniquely identified to ensure all customer payments for that business go directly there. 2. Daily pickup by bank. The bank retrieves incoming payments from the lockbox on a daily basis. This service ensures that the funds are collected promptly, reducing the time checks may sit uncashed. 3. Processing of payments. Upon receiving the payments, the bank scans the remittance documents, capturing payment information and conveying updates back to the business's accounts receivable system. 4. Deposit of funds. After processing, the bank deposits the funds directly into the company's account, allowing the business to access the money quickly. 5. Data management. Daily backups are performed to ensure data security and provide easy access to transaction history. Cost considerations of Lockbox Banking. While Lockbox Banking offers significant advantages, it also comes with various fees. Setup fees, a one-time charge for establishing the Lockbox service. Transaction-based fees, these fees apply to each payment processed, depending on payment methods and volume. Monthly maintenance fees, ongoing costs for managing the Lockbox service, regardless of transaction activity. Reporting fees, additional charges for specialized reporting beyond standard services. Integration fees, costs associated with linking Lockbox Banking to existing accounting software. It's essential for businesses to weigh these costs against the benefits, such as quicker access to funds, which can lead to earning interest sooner. Advantages of Lockbox Banking. Lockbox Banking offers several key benefits. Efficiency. It minimizes delays in cash flow by streamlining the collection of customer payments. Increased security. Reducing the handling of physical checks lowers the risks of theft or loss, as banks employ sophisticated security measures. Detailed reporting. Businesses receive comprehensive reports on received payments, simplifying reconciliation and providing insights into cash flow and receivables. Integration with accounting systems. Many banks offer services that integrate with accounting software, making reconciliation processes efficient and less prone to error. Focus on core operations. With reduced time spent on manual payment processing, businesses can concentrate on essential functions and growth. Disadvantages of Lockbox Banking. Despite its advantages, Lockbox Banking has its drawbacks. Risk of fraud. The risk of check counterfeiting is heightened since bank employees handling lockboxes may not be closely monitored. Service fees. The costs associated with Lockbox services can add up, particularly for businesses with high transaction volumes. Dependence on bank performance. The efficiency of the Lockbox system relies heavily on the bank's processing capabilities. Any delays or errors can affect cash flow. Not all-encompassing. Lockbox Banking may not cover all payment methods, such as those received through online platforms, necessitating additional processing solutions. The distinction between Lockbox Banking and safety deposit boxes. It's vital to understand that Lockbox Banking and safety deposit boxes serve different purposes. Lockbox Banking, focused on expediting payments and improving cash flow for businesses, it's designed for transaction processing. Safety deposit box, a secure storage option for physical valuables, documents, or assets, offering privacy and protection but not directly related to payment processing. Lockbox Banking and accounting operations. For businesses, lockbox banking can lead to substantial reductions in internal processing costs and quicker collections. Companies no longer need to prepare manual bank deposits. This efficiency can markedly decrease the days accounts receivable remain outstanding. Daily data access promotes better financial controls and audit trails, allowing for accurate financial reporting. Is lockbox banking suitable for small businesses? Yes, lockbox banking can be highly beneficial for businesses of any size, including small enterprises. It assists smaller businesses in speeding up payment collections, enhancing cash flow, and reducing the administrative burden associated with manual payment processing. Types of lockbox banking services. Businesses may choose among various lockbox services tailored to their needs, including wholesale lockbox, designed for handling high-value payments typically associated with larger businesses. Retail lockbox, tailored for smaller, low-value payments common in retail settings. Electronic lockbox, focused on processing digital payments efficiently. Reconciliation of lockbox transactions. Companies can reconcile lockbox transactions easily using the detailed reports provided by banks. These reports include essential payment details that allow businesses to compare them against their records, ensuring accuracy in financial reporting. Conclusion. Lockbox banking is a valuable service that can streamline the accounts receivable process for businesses, ensuring quicker access to funds and reducing administrative tasks. While it comes with a set of fees and some risks, the potential benefits often make it a worthwhile investment for efficient cash flow management. From enhancing the speed of payment processing to improving financial security, lockbox banking remains an advantageous solution for modern businesses.